If you're thinking about trying the just released Stable Diffusion AI software, here are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Because missing any of these could mean you're not getting the full potential out of one of the best new AI tools on the market. And yes, you can try it completely free right now from the first link in the description. So here's the deal. Stable Diffusion isn't just another image AI tool. It's open source, meaning you can run it locally, fine-tune it, or even train it on your own data. That alone sets it apart from most of the flashy tools you see on the market that just offer a web interface. But here's what makes this new release especially exciting. First, the quality of generation has taken a leap. The latest version delivers sharper details, better realism, and far fewer weird distortions that older versions or competitors struggle with. It's especially good at photorealistic portraits and fantasy-style art. If you're in digital marketing, you already know how important high-quality, unique visuals are for ad creatives and social content. Stable Diffusion gives you commercial use outputs without recurring costs. Second, you now have control over how it imagines things. The prompt engineering updates in this release let you guide its creativity with much more precision. You can style match Pinterest aesthetics, product mockups, or hyperreal branding images by simply adjusting your text prompt, and that's a game changer for creators and marketers alike. Third, it's faster and lighter than you'd expect. You can run it locally on most decent GPUs. That means you're not dependent on cloud credits or internet lag. For people doing bulk content generation or visual A/B testing, this is a dream setup: zero lag, zero wait, and full control. Fourth, there's built-in upscaling and in-painting. These tools let you clean up parts of the image or blow them up for print or HD web design without starting from scratch. It's like Photoshop's smart tools, but powered by AI and built right in. Fifth, and this is big, there's now a model hub with plug-and-play community models. Want anime, product photos, moody film lighting? You don't need to train anything, you just download and go. This flexibility is one of the reasons creators and developers are moving from Midjourney or DALL-E to Stable Diffusion. Sixth, it integrates with automation tools and APIs. If you're running ad funnels or content engines, you can plug Stable Diffusion directly into your backend workflows. I've seen people automate personalized image generation for email campaigns at scale, and the click-through rates are ridiculous. And finally, training. If you've ever wanted an AI to learn your style or create visuals based on your products or brand identity, this is one of the few mainstream tools that lets you do it. You can fine-tune it with your own data sets and build your own proprietary model. That's serious leverage if you're building a business around content or media. This is one of the most powerful free AI tools available today, especially if you're in content creation, marketing, or digital product development. And if you made it this far, wait till you see what else I've tested. In the description, I've linked my favorite AI tools that you can try completely free. After testing thousands of them, these are the ones worth your time.